Yo, what's up guys? We have just started streaming Animal Crossing New Horizons, Day 1, Episode 1. We are currently flying over to the Saint Land of Nook Inc. We get to meet everybody, neighbours, island members, Tom Nook, the leader, Timmy and Tommy. Tommy's the one with the flag. Yeah. Welcome to Saint Land. I hope you enjoyed your flight. Would you please join us for a short orientation session? Our fearless leader himself will be giving a presentation, so I'd hate for you to miss it. Sorry about my voice, guys. I've lost my voice a bit. President Nook, I've got Charlie here. Yes, very good. Hello, so you are a new resident, Charlie. Welcome to Saint Land. I'm Tom Nook, manager of this island and president and CEO of Nook Inc. Originally, this was a deserted island, so Nook Inc. offered a desert island getaway package. We're a lot less deserted now, but we still accept new residents. Now, Charlie, as to the rest. Sorry about that, guys. Now, Charlie, as to the matter of where you'll rest your sleepy head at night. Oh, is that sleep bag or tent? There, a little comfort item for you. And I'm terribly sorry, but due to a slight mix-up, we weren't able to prepare a place for you to live yet. If you could take a look around for you to set up your tent wherever you like. That shouldn't be a problem, right? After all, it's in keeping with our original desert island theme. Right, let's skip all of this. I just got my Nook phone. So guys, we're starting on my Nook phone now. We've just got this app called Island Life 101. Perfect. Alright, let's get to the end of this. I just got a bill, which means I have to pay Tom Nook, labour, tax, and of course your Nook phone. Oh. Bringing your grand total to the sum of 49,800 bells. Bells is like money, like dollars and pounds, but they're bells for the island. Get to it. Oh, I can pay my fees with miles instead. Nook miles. Health service and Nook mileage program. It's kind of extraordinary. Come on, Tom, Nook, hurry out. Oh. The more you enjoy your island life, the more Nook miles you can earn. Ooh. To pay back your moving fees. To pay your moving fees, but with this news would you believe it only comes to 5,000 miles? I'll just go ahead and register you so you can pay in miles. Yes, but there are more details available within your Nook phone. Just open the Nook Miles and you'll see that you've earned some miles just for travelling to the island and joining the program. Now, if I could turn your attention to the resident services tent just behind me, we're there 24 hours a day to support you, so you stop by any time to have something on your mind. Now, if Well, that was cool. Yippee! My new life is underway. I can do whatever I want. Woohoo! From now on, your life here will be automatically recorded via autosave. Do not touch the power button and the autosave. So, guys, you can also, yes, I know. Okay, guys, we started our Island Life, Nook Inc. and at St. Land. This is exciting. Now, we need a spot for my tent. I'll get Nook Miles and all of that. And then we can get started. Just wait for this. Just be a second. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, it's raining. Hello, hello. Time for an island-wide broadcast. Your source for island news. I'll go over some things that are very important to island life, so lend me your island ears for a short time. Let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Tom Nook. It's 7:05 AM this happy Sunday, June 21st, 2026. I can't say I have much in the way of news to report to you today. You know, this morning I happened upon a rare coloured seashell while walking along the beach. They're known as summer shells, and as the name suggests, you can only find them during the summer. This is a good opportunity to enjoy some DIY crafting and turn those shells into summer memorabilia. Whatever that said. Alright, now, my phone is buzzing. Oh, those eyes. My eyes look creepy. Alright, let's check my Nook cards. Alright, camera. Take pictures using various filters and effects. The picture will be saved to the album on the home menu, and use the same system will be able to see them. Let's take a photo, yeah? Ready? Alright. I got a... There we go. Photo. Let's get all my Nook Miles. Yes. Right, claim my miles there. Okay, so that's that 4. You probably got loads. Yep, you got loads more. We can all read them when we need to get miles for them. Nook Miles. Ooh! Claim miles. So that's 800 miles I've made. This is the very last one. Alright, so that's Nook Miles. Now we gotta look at the Crickopedia. Whatever. My passport. Let's check my passport. Passport information. Oh. That's cool. Right, now let's check my map. Alright. There's the main one. I am that little dude there. Oh. So this is me, and that is my other account. So I've got a account of the other one. That's Antonio and that's Sylvia. But up right there, that's my other account, another Charlie. That's where Tom Nook's friends Blathers' place is being built. We've kind of joined a little late, kind of, so the game's already kind of done. Oh no, I don't want to design. I don't want to design me. Back. Let's stop. Yes, I won't use private information. Alright, so that's that. And I'll be 3 more you. Who do I want to play with? No, I don't want to play with anybody. Alright. Rescue services. Oh, that's only when we're in trouble, but let's check Island. Members of our Island Life 101 service will receive tips on island living every day. Yes, just like this. You can read back over the tips sent here anytime you like with Island Life 101 Nook phone app. Yes. I wonder why Tom Nook always says yes at the end of his speech. So yeah, this is where Blathers' tent is being built. Let's go in and see Blathers. Hello, Blathers. How are you? Goodbye. Yeah, we don't really want to talk to Blathers because Blathers usually he just talks for like 10 minutes. And Tony's got a damn house. Yeah, this is my tent on my other account. Let's go in and see me. So this is my other account's tent, but I'm on the same island as him. Where is he? It's a bit messy, but home sweet home. I wonder where I am. Am I out fishing or something? Fishing. Well, I need to craft some things. Tent. Where should I build my tent, guys? I'm gonna find somewhere to build my tent. Alright. Tommy. That's Sylvia's house. I might build my tent down here, maybe. I might do it here, guys. The tree will move, but... Yes, you should. This is the spot. Alright. My tent's being built there. There we go. I set up my tent. Now I have a home base for New Island Life. Now, before I go in, I think I have to go and speak to Tom Nook. And then he'll just give me some stuff. Look, let's open Nintendo and Mum. My dear Charlie, whenever I see a plane, I think of you and wave at those airborne strangers with all my might. I have no idea how many flights took off each day. My arm is exhausting, celebrating your move. Love, Mum. Ooh, a present. Place that in my pocket. And then Nintendo. Dear friends, it's been 25 years since the 1401. It was... where's Tommy just walking past? It was better than 1 is 2, better than 2 is 4, and better than 4 is many. And there are so many of you now. Thank you. Enjoy your islands your way. Is that KK? It's a weird dog. Place the present in pocket. Dear Charlie, congratulations on your big move. We hope you enjoy your new life on St. Land to celebrate this fresh start. I'd like to give you a gift that is sure to come in handy from Nintendo. Place the present in pocket. Should we go? Right. Let's go in. Look around. Alright, so here I've got a camo bed like I had in my other account. And then I've got some... What are these for? Let's put my lantern down there. Ah, that looks nice. Now let's open my presents. Simple DIY workbench. Open. Leaf statue. 3,000 bells. That's cool. Right, place my leaf statue. There you go. My big glowing leaf statue. Alright, let's come out. Alright, now let's go into the main plaza. There's no like end to this game. You could just keep going until you feel like. So I'm just gonna do like day 1 until like day 30 until I feel like we should still. Charlie, welcome. As you can see, it is quite cozy in here. Yes, it is. It's funny how cozy doesn't always mean comfortable. Let me know if you need advice on how to spend your time on this island or anything else. If you need some advice about basic island materials, you should talk to Timmy. He can help you purchase some of the essentials for thriving in our little paradise. And if you want to earn some bells, he has a rather generous policy of purchasing just about anything. Ooh, that's cool. Not strictly advisable from a business perspective, but quite generous, yes. Oh, one more important thing. Sorry about that. I'm offering a free DIY workshop that can help you really build out your island experience. I think it would be quite useful, so I do hope you take me up on it. Alright, so hello Timmy. Welcome. I'm so happy that you've made your way here. We're still setting up, but for starters, we intend to offer a small selection of goods for our island residents. Space is limited right now, but we'll try to have some fresh stock each and every day. I'm sure you're busy, but feel free to take a look at some of the items we're thinking of selling. Okay, let's take a look. Great. So you've got a lawn chair for 760 bells and a handy water cooler for 1,400. Now I can afford both of them, probably combined, but they're cool. But I'm gonna save up my bells. Anything catch your eyes? We're not just sellers, we also buy things from you, including stuff gathered on this island. Yeah, but I don't have anything to give yet. Because we're gonna end the video in a minute. Nearly at 20 minutes, so something just ask. Okay, alright, yes. Come out, let's go back to our tent and save it. Goodbye, Tommy. Let's go down to my tent. Up there. No, up to my tent, I say. Now let's go in. I'm right by the river, so that's nice. Right, now let's take a rest. Ready to wrap things up for now? Yes, we are. Save and end. Okay, so we're saving it. We're going to end it and end the video. Saving, do not touch the power button. Save complete. See you later. So guys, thank you very much for coming to watch today's video, Animal Crossing New Horizons, episode 1, day 1. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all in the next video.